some of the JPAC, even at the whole content creators, and when I Southeast, Monday busy at home, Monday busy this place. In fact, Monday busy abroad. Oh, but a particular person, aka unono.
I'm just need one single word to summarize everything.
Okay.
I am with the fans, right? Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, a year ago with the fans. Okay, hitting with the fans.
I walk with fans.
With the fans.
Even when you say Jesus with the fans.
Yeah. All those people that got the own way, anyways, where they are against their video. Push the word, man. In your name, I don't. Only anyways, where they are against their video. Say, I was in here. Come on, with fans. Their fans will come against you. And I've been on social media. The reason why they call me FBI, nobody choking my children. I'm trying to you want the details that are match. What? I don't talk about saying your job here, Marco Sige. It will take time. So people now put them as a threat. That now, I got a video guitar. Most of the Indians and wine are to me because again, I'm bagging a video.
There's why I took you.
Yes. I claim there's a wine because why I have base. Why I have base. No, I claim there's a wine. I have to handle them now to me now because getting people take it while the cigarettes near the next thing. Government now wash him.
Okay.
Government officials now wash him. Senators now wash him. Governors now wash him. Post that they will be the first people to wash, but they will not use their accounts.
Yes.
So I might have so much enemies because of Nde. Followers have to say about and post here. Congratulations, I say idiot. Oh, yeah, but I say idiot. Anyway, believe it's Mumu. Here now, I see he be so. If I check with you now, JPAC, Kapahin and Natale to contact.
Email contact.
Email contact. Build the gum contact about trust.
Email contact.
Build the gum contact for 15 years ago. Okay, check here. On go millionaire or billionaire man the number. Morike, Enugona yana JPAC eseroku. Because again, I know how to build contact. I know how to safeguard contact. I know how to build trust.
People now say that if you na cause because you know how to manipulate people. That now most of them now focus as a sycophant. That is only they praise and then na power. Go away with Taife na kafa. No, if you may understand. But I mean in reality that now you are not supposed to be trusted. Or if a lot of people believe. Okay.
If envy. If woman see horse, or they will because he across who get to be see horse. If you say see horse, or they will give you. I just say, with this boy jab at the Abaime, he better not JPAC market to penetrate. If woman are senator, they will give you. This is a destiny. That's not I am the one about my mother 6 months salary age and over. As your mom, yes, as a civil servant, government is your my mother Jakarta DJ at gratuity, gratuity during the time of P2B. DJ, and I been the same. My lega here release Gega. Oh, more about office. I want to say office open at the hard, JPAC the entire year. By the office, DJ break here the yoke. When I can my mother gratuity before more. So office, unless no office governor security then security degree I try more than me so way back. Number one about you name some people in life about inferiority complex. You don't believe in yourself. You always see yourself as a nobody. Mbobli je follow God. Remember na film. Can you remember na Abraham? Mbobli je from Mbobli na atu Iburu zo go self defeat. If for mother ozbo it has head na mam na njekuru onya na ya kusum. Ozbo you dey che that. But na stage MC na stage. Me na my friend Cardinal na je hustle na stage. Mbaka said I will make 100,000 today. I said my job will say watch and see. And I must make that 100,000. As at that time.
I'm MC now.
Yes, I'm a professional MC now. Okay. Which I have work on this month ended. Mbaka said I'm going for Canada to Reba. They go out here the kind. You will make more than 5,000. That day at the was. With the microphone, I crack a joke. I will microphone crack a joke. So, number one, about what God has deposited in me enwere m favor n'ihu Chukwu na ihu mmadụ. Always enwere natural. Ever since I noticed that God enwere m favor n'ihu nke m, enwere m ibubo. Ọ bụrụ ihe ndị Igbo na-akpọ ibubo n'iru nke m. Enweghị dibịa ya arụrụ m ọrụ. Yes. I don't believe na dibịa ya arụ. Mụnwa bụ dibịa na onwe m, dibịa ya akụ ụmụ ọgwụ. The only thing na-eme ka dibịa kụọ m ọgwụ na-agada abụ na m bịada soil ya aka m n'ihe ọjọọ ịkụọ m ọgwụ. O nwere mgbe a na-eteretin m si ya akwụdara Zugo teretin m na ọ ya atọ m na arụsị ya ịdanye m 7 days dị far nye m 2 days and for the mouth na imepego ọnụ wee sị m na-enye m 7 days ama achụghị ọsọ chụfuo oge na Anambra steeti na m emeghị ihe arahụzi ụra. Today what is happening? Akwụdara Zugo adarahụzi ibe mgbe eke dibịa bido ịtretin mgbe before wee ghọtazi onye mbara m dị cool bịazie na-emezi ka o metezie m enyi which eke is a very nice guy or a man who trying to survive, you know. They want to switch into dibia content.
What do you mean by dibia content?
Why I say dibia content is yeah, when they put at all I didn't know. Okay. You want me man I be ka dey nkata ọgwụ ihe dị ihe.
Money powerful dibia ko.
Then there is na ngbe baza arụsa ya na mafuta as a dibia content. Ona chokwa emana eke the last person batara na social media ka o buru ike. Mana ọ bataziri ọdịzie unfortunate. Yes. Ọ baziri ibiri ike buru.
Ọ butela obere.
Ọ buteghị. Ọ bịara ibute mana ekweghị ndị mana amara gị ihe mgbe a. Ịghọta. Ọ ndị butere ego gboo ndị jigasị the first person butere internet Chimare Temple.